Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to set wallpaper in Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone. Before you start the video, request to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. So first of all, you need to press and hold on home screen. It will pop up the menu. You need to click on this icon to open the wallpaper store. So it will navigate into the wallpaper store. You can see a lot of wallpapers listed here. You can download the live wallpaper also. So this one is a live wallpaper. You can see any wallpaper. You can download any wallpaper from here. Also you can view by categories wise. So if you want to select a new wallpapers, you need to click on new. So these are the new wallpapers. So these are the top wallpapers, so which are most downloaded. So if you want to download this wallpaper, you need to click on that, then click apply, then choose the type of screen and click OK. Now the wallpaper is applied successfully. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.